Hey guys, welcome to the Orange Mallet. Doing a quick mobile video here today. We're just gonna fix this. This is a E39 2002 BMW 5 Series, and look at this. This is just so annoying. The other one works fine, but look at that. What is that? Alright, and this is a pretty common problem on all these E39 5 Series BMWs, so I was either going to go with either replacing it, this part specifically, this like the cup holder, but I figured I'd run into the same problem, so instead I got this. This is just a replacement cup holder that kind of sits right in front of, well, like the old cup holder. So let's get to installing it. So first things first, I'm just going to wipe this area down. Make sure any dirty stuff is all gone, because we want that double-sided tape to stick really well. And just while I'm here, clean this side as well. Okay. Now next step, I'm just going to take off these two 3M stickies. Let's see if I'll manage with one hand. There's one. And there's two. Alright, not too difficult. I'm just gonna one hand this for the most part, slide that out of the way, and now kind of set it as best I can, and then firmly press down, making sure that's very nicely lodged in there. It doesn't come back out. Excellent. And that's all there really is to it. You still have access to your controls very nicely. Your little cigarette lighter. Look at that. It looks much better than that broken stuff from before. And that's about it. Thanks for watching, guys.